Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I want to share 8 ideas for living a life with no regret. Several years ago, a Dr. Gerald Bell from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill conducted a study with 4,000 retired executives. The study was on regret and how these executives would do life differently if they were given a second chance. It's been said we should live our lives in such a way that we have no regrets. But in most cases, this isn't possible because we only get one life to live. So how do we avoid mistakes and pitfalls and regrets if we don't know what they will be? They say a smart person learns from their mistakes, but a wise person learns from the mistakes of others so that they can avoid those mistakes altogether. After spending years researching, surveying, and interviewing these 4,000 executive men and women, Dr. Bell boiled down his research findings into 8 life regrets and how to avoid them. So, if these 4,000 men and women could do it over again, here are the 8 things that they would do differently. Number 8, they wish they had given more time, money, and attention to their communities. Number 7, they wished that they had planned their career better. They felt that if they had put more thought into their job, education, and how to advance, they could have done better. Number 6, they wish they had worked more fun and adventure into their lives. Too much work and no play leads to burnout. Recently, my wife and I started doing more Christmas and birthday gifts centered around experiences rather than just toys that would be forgotten just a few months later. Number 5, these executives wish that they had spent more time on personal development. This includes reading more books, attending workshops, retreats, and seminars. Heck, maybe you're using YouTube to further your personal development. What are some of the things that you're personally working on in your own personal development? Let me know in the comments. Number 4, they wish that they had spent more time with their family. No one gets to the end of their life and regrets not having spent more time in the office or at their job. Making family a priority is one of the best returns on investments, in my opinion. Number 3, they wish they had managed their money better. Many felt they didn't have enough financial education, so they did what they saw their parents do or what they saw family and friends do with their money. They felt that if they had proper education and access to good financial products, they could have done more with their money. Number 2, they wish they had taken better care of their health. I once heard someone say that a man with good health has 1,000 goals, while a man with bad health has only one goal: to get better. Taking care of ourselves, our bodies, and our minds is important. After all, you only get one body. And the number one thing that 4,000 executive men and women wished that they had done better, they wished that they had been better at setting goals and taking charge of their own life. Too often they fell into other people's plans. Too often they underachieved by not having a goal to work towards or a focus that kept them moving in the direction of their dreams. So, which of these 8 resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Right now, I'm personally trying to give back to my community more and make sure that I am giving the proper time and attention to my wife and my children. Hey, if you found this video to be helpful, will you give it a like so that YouTube will share it with others? And you may have a family member or a friend or even a coworker that would benefit from hearing this message. Please feel free to share this video on social media or send it on to that person you think would benefit. Having a purpose and sticking to the path that leads to the most happiness will help all of us live our best lives and get to the end of our life with few regrets. Hey, I'm just so glad that you are in my community. Remember that at the end of the day, you are amazing. And I will see you on the next video.